it or not, there are really some things I didn't show you concerning the S6 and S6 Edge. First of all, doesn't bring anything more comfort or something, but I find this parallax effect really cool. You all know it from the iPhone, and I guess it's not just a occasion that Samsung oriented itself concerning the S6 on the iPhone. Nevertheless, I find it cool. As you can see here, the background is moving. I love that feature. I had to show you. But nevertheless, there is way more that's bringing more comfort. First of all is the split screen features I wanted to show you. Here we are in the Task Manager. You know this Rolodex vision from Android 5. And you might have seen already these icons here on the apps that are compatible with this feature. If you tap on them, you will start the split screen or multi-window, like Samsung is calling this. And if you are launching the second app, just here, you have the same feature like on the Notes. But on the Notes, you had to have always to press the back button for a while. Then you got that second additional screen here on the side with that little row where you had to pull your apps over here. So I find it way more comfortable, especially because if you are, let's say, here in your browser, let's start a website like this one, it's just working with compatible apps, be aware of that. Just hold and press the Task Manager button, and again you will have started already the split screen mode. And let's say, for example, go to My Files here for the second one. And third thing I wanted to show you is what you can do with compatible apps is press and hold, drag and drop onto your home screen. And of course, like you know from the Note models, you can remove this or even, even have different sizes here. And of course, to go onto the mode, that's this little icon here in overlapping the others, so that you can always tap on it and get your size back, and especially go back to this full screen mode, or in the other case, again, go to the split screen mode. I wanted to present you this. I really love that. And one other thing I wanted to show you is concerning the app launcher over here. Here has changed it because you now do not have these options over here anymore. So in the past you had the chance over here to go to an automatically sorted menu, all your installed apps. This feature has gone now. You can still move around or even drag and drop and have them sorted in folders like that. You can do everything here, but not sorted it automatically for the alphabet. So if you want this feature, you have to go to the Play Store and search for an app launcher. There are, I do not know, hundreds or thousands or whatever, most of them even for free. So it's no problem to get that feature back, but nevertheless you have to install it and use it, and that's looking something else like this new or design that Samsung has created over here. So I really do not find it a very great idea to kick that feature off the native pre-installed app launcher here. Yeah, that's I wanted to show you because I found that very important that you know before you buy. And last thing I wanted to show you is concerning the Edge screen, because this I have forgotten to show you. So I pre-installed some text over here, because if you move the text or go to this in the zoom, then of course the text will go around the corners on the Edge screen. I'm going a little bit closer so that you can see for yourself. Here you have this effect, let me call it like that, because you can of course read without any problems, and you have yourself in your fingers or hand how big the size you will you will zoom in or out, so it's on your own fortune. And if you have regular websites, for example, like this one, that's why I had my website over here, you do not have that problem, because on the edges you do not have anything. But again, if you're reading text like this one here, you will have, of course, this bending on both sides of the text. But I do not find that a problem, because you can read still. And yeah, just in contrary, I have to say, it's kind of really looking cool. It doesn't bring you any profit, but nevertheless, it's something you should know and see by yourself with your own eyes, if this is a reason for you to buy the S6 Edge or not to buy it. So I hope I could help you with that a little bit. And please be so kind to recommend my channel and to subscribe to it. Thanks for that in advance, and take care. Bye.